Can I install SPC click-in flooring over existing tile? So the answer is depends. In most cases you can. However, you need to take a look on a couple of things. First, you need to make sure that all the tiles are solid and they're not moving around. They're not loose. Second, I highly recommend, and I insist on this, in case if you're planning to use this tile later down the road, use grout to fill the grout lines to the level of the tile, so there is no seams. Or in case if you don't care about the tile, use self-leveler because it's cheaper, again to make it smooth and fill it out. Another thing is, especially here in Hawaii, sometimes I see that tile, when installed improperly or over time, have some of the corners lifted. So you see one tile being higher than another. In order to install vinyl plank flooring, you need the surface to be perfectly leveled according to the installation manual. So make sure you take care of those corners, loose tiles, before you install vinyl over the tile. Also keep in mind, in some cases, I would recommend to install like moisture barrier, same as we go with the concrete. And also, if you didn't take care of the seams, especially with the thinner laminate flooring, what you can experience is option one, you have vinyl plank flooring seams. If they line up perfectly with the tile seams, that's where it can create a weak point and your vinyl plank flooring can open over the time. Or if the vinyl is thin, then those grout lines, the one that you didn't take care of, they can either create air pockets and again open the flooring, or they can break the flooring or just take the shape of those seams. Fill them in until the level of the tile before putting vinyl plank flooring.